everyone, good morning all of you. Right now I'm going to see the Matki Phod program that happening in my village, and both boys and girls have separate competition. So this video will going to be very interesting and fun. So stay tuned to my video till the end. Bye bye. So guys, right now you can see the boys Matki Phod competition is going on, and you can see a lot of people, all people from my village, they gather at one place and we all are celebrating and enjoying this Matki Phod competition. And after boys Matki Phod competition, girls Matki Phod competition will start. So stay tuned to my video. So guys, right now you can see I'm at the place where Matki Phod program is happening, and now it's boys Matki Phod competition happening, but it's waiting right now, but it's not stopped still. Competition is happening. So guys, you can see this is the final one, and his name is Bansi Yadav, who broke the matki and who win the Matki Phod competitions of boys, and finally he broke the matki. And you can see the happiness of everyone, how they are enjoying, and kids started picking up the coin. So friend, right now girls Matki Phod competition have started, and we celebrate Shri Krishna Janmashtami with great joy and enthusiasm. On this occasion, a special Matki Phod competition was organized separately for boys and girls. All the youngsters of the village participated with full excitement, and the whole village joined in the celebration. The most beautiful thing is that every year on Janmashtami, this Matki Phod event is a tradition in our village. Everyone comes together, celebrates like a family, and fills the atmosphere with happiness. And then finally it was my turn. I was very excited about this competition, and people were shouting my name and everyone was cheering, but I could not broke the matki this time. Still the fun, the energy and the spirit made me feel like a winner. I was very happy because in the end it's not only about breaking the matki, it's about enjoying the festival together, spreading happiness and making memories with our people. And finally, she is the winner of the girls Matki Phod competition. Her name is Manju, and she broke the matki, and you can see the kids enjoying and everyone enjoying. And after this, everyone started dancing, especially every girls. You can see how they are enjoying and dancing. So guys, this is the beauty of village. We all celebrate together every festival. And right now we are going our village river for Krishna's Visarjan, and we all are enjoying and dancing together. And this is how we celebrate Janmashtami and every festival like this. We all celebrate together, every people. There is no difference, boys, girls, everyone like same. We all enjoy together. Now we are near to the river for Visarjan, and you can see the greenery because river is very near from my village, and everyone is enjoying, and we are going for Visarjan. So friends, this is the real life of the village, living together, celebrating every festival as one family, and keeping our traditions alive with love and unity. After the Visarjan, the whole village gather for a grand Bhandara, means community feast. Sitting together and sharing food with love made the celebration even more memorable. So it was not just about eating but about sharing happiness, equality, and unity.